Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds we are going to taste and sample one of fall or Halloween's favorite treat. You guessed it. It's all the way from Brock's Autumn Mix. This is a mixture of candy corn, and I really haven't had any of. I never had. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm a little creeped out now. Yeah, pandemic, social distancing. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a give this a thumbs up. Hope.
やれやれだぜ。